Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by killing power and confirming the circuit is dead. That protects you and the fittings. Next, mark the layout and measure cable runs so you avoid surprises when connecting. Once you have holes cut and housings positioned, feed the cable to the first light. This first step sets the rest of the job, so be neat with slack and keep cable ends accessible for the next wiring stage. You now join the conductors using proper connectors inside a junction box or loop-in point. This is where mistakes happen, so take your time. Strip insulation neatly, twist or crimp conductors as required, and ensure earth continuity is solid. Correct polarity prevents flicker and hazards. Once done, organize wires, tuck them to avoid strain, and secure the connector and box cover. This prevents loose. You finish by restoring power and testing every downlight. Verify they switch correctly and show no flicker. Once satisfied, insert trims, secure retention clips, and seal around the housing while preserving IC rating and airflow so heat won't build up. If something goes wrong, shut power and recheck the suspect fixture's connections, polarity, and connector seating. Often a loose conductor or miswired neutral is the culprit, so start troubleshooting there before calling an electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.